Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to recover Credit Karma account without your email. So as you can see, if you no longer have access to the email address you used to log into your Credit Karma account, you have two options. So the first one is to change the email address on your existing account, and the second one is to replace your existing account with a new account. Now, the first one is the best one because what you can do, you can simply click on this link and then you're gonna get redirected here. And then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the old email address and then simply enter your last 4 digits of your social security number and then click on continue, and then you can change it basically. Now, in order to get access to this link, what you're gonna have to do is simply search on Google recover Credit Karma account and then click on this link here, and then you're gonna get redirected here to this page where you can simply access this link, where you're gonna have to basically enter all your information in order to replace your email. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.